Hi guys! Today I will be showing you how to make an advertisement poster. To get started, you will need a program. I recommend using either Photoshop or Word. Or you could use pen and paper if you want. The first step is to add a title. It could be the name of your product. For example, Twix. Ow! Oh, Twix! You could also add other words before it. For example, try the new Twix. The second step is adding one or two short sentences talking about what the product does. The third step is using the rule of three. Three. The rule of three is adding three good adjectives about your product. For example, it's crunchy, it's tasty, it's marvelous. The fourth step is adding images. Isn't it like obvious? But make sure to make it colorful. Like me. Step 5 is adding a catchy slogan. A good example of this is McDonald's slogan, I'm loving it. Step number 6 is adding a background. Yeah, like this. But make sure you keep it simple. If you don't, this will happen. As you can see, it draws all the attention away from me because it's very flashy. So always make sure to choose a simple background. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful and please
make sure to subscribe.
bye!